Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the switch and removing the Joycon. This prevents short circuits and preserves calibration. Once done, lay parts on a clean mat and touch metal to discharge static. You want no surprises. Use the tri-wing to remove the rail screws first, then a Phillips for the interior screws. Take photos as you go so reassembly is exact. Make sure to keep screws organized in order, because small differences matter when you put everything back together. Once the shell is open, remove the battery and peel back shielding to expose the joystick board. This gives clear access and prevents damage. Next, detach the ribbon cables and either desolder or carefully pry the faulty joystick module. You must preserve surrounding pads. Align the new module in the same orientation, seat it firmly, and reconnect ribbons. This restores proper contact. After confirming the module is seated, reattach shielding and battery, so the unit is ready for testing before full reassembly. You should reassemble enough to power the Joycon and test stick travel. This checks for drift or dead zones before final assembly. If movement feels off, go to System Settings and run the calibration tool. That corrects center offsets and confirms inputs. Once confirmed, finish reassembly and torque screws snugly. If drift persists, make sure the connector is fully seated and the module is clean. Try compressed air or isopropyl wipe. If problems remain, repeat access and verify part compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.